This is my drawing of Lewis Hamilton from Ferrari, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the bottom edge of the helmet. We're going to start on the left side. We want to draw a curve that comes down and towards the middle, and then bend that up towards the right side. Now let's draw a large half oval for the helmet. Starting back on the left, we're going to start by going out, bend that up towards the middle, around at the top, come all the way around the right side, and we're just going to bend that in. Now in the center of the helmet, we're going to draw the visor. Let's start on the left side. Start by curving this up, across, and then down. I'm going to step down on the left side, curving the opposite direction, coming down and then up. Let's add 2 half circles on the side. And we'll add a small circle on the end. Now we're going to add some details to the helmet, starting from the bottom of the visor, angle this down and in, and we'll round out the bottom. Let's add 2 little vents. From the top left side, step down, follow that curve coming in, come straight down towards the bottom. I just want to trace the side and bottom coming in. We're going to add a trim across the bottom, stepping up. Just follow that same curve going across. Let's move up underneath the visor, bend this down and in, curve this down and then in towards the bottom. Now I want to trace that underneath. Let's add a simple Ferrari logo in the center, starting with the curve on the top, bend this down and in towards the bottom. Let's go out to the side, add another trim going out and then up, curve this down towards the bottom, and curve that up towards the top. Now again, we just want to trace this underneath. Let's add another stripe, coming down and in. And then we want to add a glare going across the visor. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this in and then down, step in, draw that again. Over on the right side, curve this down and then in. Let's go back up to the crest. We're going to simplify that horse symbol. Now with the helmet complete, let's move down towards the shoulders and add that padding, leaving a gap in the center, starting on the left. We're going to come down, round at the bottom, and then bend that back up, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add a trim along the inside. Underneath those pads, curve this down and out towards the hips. Now I'm going to go back up to the collar, bend this in and then down towards the middle. Pull this all the way down to line up with the hips. From that line, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. Bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we want to round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and up. Go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up. Bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And then curl that back up toward the inside of the leg. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So I'm going to take this curve, step up, and trace it across on both sides. Let's go to the top of the foot, starting on the left, draw a half circle for the tongue of the shoe. Now we're going to go back up to the hips, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down on top of those tongues. And then from the inside of the tongue, add a curve to the edge of the pants. Now we want to go back to the side of the body and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the left side, then out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, add a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. We're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, add a second curve, and then the third finger, we're going to bend this up and towards the arm, towards the top of the pad. Now we're going to separate the cuff from the top of the thumb with a curve going up and then out. Step up and draw that again. Let's add a stripe coming down, the curve, and then trace that along the outside. Now add 2 lines going across the center of the body, from left to right. Now let's go back and fill the body with some logos, starting from the shoulders. Then add some across the body. Now we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Lewis Hamilton from Ferrari. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.